Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today I'm going to be trying some dip powder I got from Temu. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So first I need to prep my nails, so I'll come in with my cuticle pen and push my cuticles back. Next, I will come in with my file and file the surface and the edges as well. I'll come in with a dehydrator and just clean off any excess dust or oils that might be on the nails. So it's time to apply the fake nail. Here I'll be trying this kind of glue adhesive I got from Temu, and basically it's like a hard gel, and we use it as glue. So I'll be trying it. I'll just take LLPs and put it in the fake nail, then attach it onto my natural nails, push it down into the cuticle area to give it that very natural look. Then I'll go ahead and cure it under the UV light for about 60 seconds. I will come in with a file and file the surface and the edges as well. So I've got this dip powder over here. This was supposed to be in the color nude, kind of the brownish nude. But sometimes the color changes when the product is shipped to you. So this looks too much of a whitey, pinkish kind of, But it's okay. I'll try it anyway. Basically, I'll come in with my base coat. Then I will dip my finger into the powder. Oh, I'll just put the powder onto my nails. I'll go ahead and cure it. Then come in with my fan brush. I'll just brush off any excess, powder on my nails. So depending on how thick or thin you want it, you might want to repeat the process some more. In this video, I repeated it for 3 times. So basically when the nails are done, I'll come in again with the base coat, then dip it, cure, repeat the process till I'm satisfied with the thickness. So after 3 coats, I'm all done. I'll just go ahead and come in with some glossy top coat. I would want to decorate my nails with some water decals, so I'll decorate my thumb, my middle finger, and my last finger. Afterwards, I will give it another glossy top coat. And here we are. We all done. As you can see, it was so easy to make. I must say, these dip powders come in very handy, especially if you don't have time and you want to rush things through. Even though this wasn't the color I expected, I like it anyway. So yes, this is it. Let me know what you think. Do you like the color? Don't you like them? Let me find out in the comment section. If you've not subscribed, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye. So to start, I will clean her hands first.